I just broke the news. Say a branch here Endra na the video and the audio echo viral. I was say what NDC4 prophet. Maybe I na me refi din. Me I don't know him. And Endra can me name. They say a friend no Ousweji Ose den. Na the din there into me nka wo me trim. But me breaking news say police for akwa chino. So the video is what you are seeing right in front of you. Now, answer better to us on the subscribe and now click the notification bell on the so. So the video is what you are seeing right in front of you. Police for a channel. It's here for police for channel. No, say a branch here. You see we. Say you see butter. A butter a channel hono. You see we or say in a womb. Now, and no one time we will talk about it. Then people are also speaking on why the police will do this and humiliate him. We also talk about this. Maybe I can't say assemble. Medem just say ye beka ne senia e wose ye ka no. So you are seeing ade na ekra no no eno ne say eye wi no ade na eye ewo brown we ni mu police for no ye say e wi a ewo ne ho nti omo ka say eno ho nti na wotumi kwa kasasa because you obi a wo shi wi Kennedy Japan so ababonten Ghana for mo abroachin so ababonten e kasa na Kennedy Japan so de wo ka no yakoye say eye Kennedy Japan e na wo inform me national security and a national security for Echo channel because he was doing a live broadcast, a Facebook broadcast and a national security for Echo channel. You be taking Japan voice, but no, a different video. You be in the next. Not to say you share and someone say. I just want us to speak on this video. You are watching the video right in front of you. And me breaking news in terms say just say ya channel no. Munya video and share you know. This is a video because your report here may be more can say any fake news. So you are seeing the video right in front of you. You can attest to the fact say handcuff egunensa ya channel. So let's speak on the things we are seeing in the video. Okay, so one, in the first place, was it right for the police to video this guy? Are they just trying to humiliate him? Na me ka asem tremo. Me and I am fan say Jin Mensa me mame ana mebusuani ana se me ena yemfa ne se meye police ni a na ka asem we a branch wo kan ye a wo call for war wo bekum we ena wo bekum we no na ka me ena meye police ni a menim say police stand for peace and police are there to maintain peace in the country na ka dia police for no area no na ka me the same thing tie me say asemba me I will say it as real as it is. Say ya me naka the police for here will move video a branch here. Naka I will do the same thing. But say me the same thing. Is it right or not? For the police to put camera on this guy and for the video to come viral, I think it is not professional. Uchi will be a yemfa camera and a video and to so say emfa mba bonte yes ana Emma police mo edwuma no sebe emma nkrofo bi hu ne se esan se wakasama NDC no intia na mo humiliate no because nkrofo kasama MPP a wo mo nso ka the same thing mo nkonkoche omo enye omo sei into obi beti na echi aka ne sa but I've told you me na nka Jane Mensa oye mebusuani ana me na me police ni anaka the police for ne like I'll do the same thing but it doesn't mean say me na me yenti not say you're right. I see this as not being professional from the police. Okay, let's move on to the next thing. Me person video ne share na yakasa about it. So the brown envelope na wokita ye suspect say o dey answer ne better as no subscribe na click the notification bell on so. The brown envelope na wokita ne ye suspect say eye wi no no na me person ye boss a ye kasa e wo so and then I'll show you a screenshot as well. So you are seeing the envelope, the brown envelope right now. You are seeing it, and no, and you can say we are just say allegedly and are suspected to be we are wokita. Now, Papa way, same way, obe to me BT, our court very easily. People beat this thing in court because even the IGP Ghana police penny will not trample ababonting. Ebema police for warning says Sisiano. As a police for HS hospital, the first thing na womu ye and say womu di we etu nipa ko ne ho. Nti IGP ne kra Emma police for warning say sa de no womu njai Not so no IGP name who say a idea a coso e police force ni mu. Ebe to me as say we no na no kita. Ebe to me abanso say police for any planting one so because there are a lot of people are ye chi wo mo a we no ye planting ye eto wo mo so. Into wonya a good lawyer obe to me beat that case. Into we na wo hwa police for no wo mo ka say won kra no. E kan say osofo e na wo shiwi osofo na wo shiwi. The police were saying that. Ati ase into ya de a eno so e wo ho. Me dey make catch us say assemble e two ways. One, whether it is true or not. In the first place, ebe to me aba say we na ye or no. Because wo hwe ebi mo kan se wo hwe se ne abrante ne na wo kasakra na ne ke I know people who smoke. Na ebi mo a minim se wo mo hye no wo hye na wo ye fine a. Obo se wa ye kom. Obeye kom. Obeye tse se obeye bote ebi mo hye asa. Obi nso wo hye a na ebegina ne ni so a. Saa time no ye heja. Se nya na papa no wo kasa no. Obi betumi aka se papa no wo ye we smoke ante na no wo kasa saa. The person ebia ni pakunu so ni mo bia wo shiwi a wo yes ante no the person might be right. Obi nso beka and that Ghana ni bia wo wa brochi ese ne me message se wo hwe se ne papa no e kasa utumi nse da bi papa no se be either say wo bodam anase wakonu mindru bone nti nkrofo ehu se we ekra no people will not be even shocked. But ya asem na me ka tro me dem say asem ba ye hwe papa side na ne ya hwe bone. Inti eye two ways. Either say one we ni ye planted to ne so anase eye ne kre and I have told you. But his appearance, yeah, say don't use looks to discriminate. But the kind say his appearance doesn't even help him in this matter. Inti asem no. Just say national security for and the koko chino. Kennedy Japan and I just say national security for no wo information say abrante no what ha. Not knowing even Kennedy Japan clan say wonim just say abrante ne clan no ne family yesi kuma say abrante ne family awo film no just say wo free me say abrante say wenyi oya papa oya kokra yesi ne family awo film wo kuma say clan no just say eye family bia sika wo mo sika e wo kuma say ne enim papa we ne family but yesi sa wo ko school wo prempe e na just say krono nsem eni ede be sake no eno so ye nsem a eba afiansa ne ho nsem eba unhu ne siblings ne nyama yesi wo mu ni na tre se wo mu ye nkrofo a wo mu di omo ho and then if you listen to him wo be hu ne say kasa wo aka no wo aka brofo ye and it will surprise you to know say nsem a na wo aka efa Kennedy Japan ho and nsem no people were believing him but clearly say na no kan na Nyankopon ne kasa se wonye se Nyankopon ne kasa se wonye se no. Because of Babonti, Ebeka, Reverend Obofo Crade. Say, I na Reverend Obofo second Japan no moja. And I walk and say, Yankopon explain it. And I want to say, Papa no chantro because Sir Reverend Obofo moja sema no cano. It wasn't Kennedy Japan. It was an old video. It is all the catcher and say, Yankopon ne wakasa wo ho. And Yankopon explain Reverend Obofo Kennedy Japan moja na one no etrewa. Not to say yentro. Because Yankopon himself said, no. Reverend Obofo wasn't speaking to Kennedy Japan. It's me tie no wo boss asem so na me hu say abrante wo de na adwen na nam. But I'm saying this, the NDC are still not out to speak against this. The NDC are still not out to disown what this man did. And it is not painting the NDC in a good light. Because asem we ni na wo kwa Yebeka wo hwe tag na yede tag ya say NDC prophet ND enye ne din yebo me se me metina hey mekra me di breaking news na bremo no ne din kra ni mitrim ya me ka no mo di ase ne din no ni mitrim de minim ne say NDC prophet so NDC wo mo peni ye a they have to say something about it because ebe say eye ne kra se ne kra wo mo no mo soma papa so onko kan nsem a wo kan ye no. So those of you who were doubting, this is the video right in front of you. The man has been arrested. I think said the police videoing him and putting the video out is humiliating and unprofessional. But I would have done that if I actually was in the position of the police. I would have done the same thing. But it doesn't mean say you're right. But I said because any na papa ne kasa na dey bufu na nam. Aha. Enti ade da ono no. Montra mo adwo comment box mo tie for me da ase.